Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a speaker or another object following a sound wave like this. The first thing I'm going to do is clear my scene for object and start over from the beginning. I jump over to modeller so you can see what I have. I have made a speaker. The speaker is made of 3 components, but the interesting part is this, the speaker membrane. The speaker membrane is subpatched, so if you see here in texture wired is soft. What I'm going to do is select some of my polygon. I just using select expand to get the polygon I want. So here is where the morphing is going to take place, so I stop there. The next thing to do is to choose morph maps and base and go to new, and then I call this morph map speaker out, so I know where it's going. I use relative. In this case it doesn't matter, but I like to do it anyway, and click create. The next thing to do now is hit T for move and move the speaker out. If I now go back to base, the speaker is moving back, so this is what's going to happen. I'm also going to have the speaker going the opposite way, but I'm not making a new map for that. So this is only thing I need to do here in modeller. So I save this model and go send it to layout. In layout you can see here my audio file is still loaded, but I can show you how it's done. If you go to scene dope editor, you have an audio channel here. First I'm cleaning my audio for now. You don't have to do that. And then I'm going to load audio file. I take the audio file and put it in, and then the audio file is down here. If I now play, you will hear the sound. Depending on the graphic card, sometimes the sound is a little slower, sometimes it's faster. It's normal speed, and if I scrub the sound can be very strange. But anyway, this is the sound bit. The next thing to do is to make this animation, and in the objects panel I need to check the speaker. I press P for property and go to deform tab. If you have an old Lightwave, you will find the morph mixer here in the menu, but in the new Lightwave they have put it here so it's easier to see. When I click this, I get a new panel like this. I'm going to make it smaller so it fits on the screen. This panel is making me change the place of the speaker. But if you can see here, something's wrong with the membrane. It's not deforming right. And the reason for that is very simple. We go over to geometric tab and we change subdivision order from first to last. Now the morphing is happened before subdivision it's applied, so now you can see the speaker is soft and fine. The next thing to do now is to animate this morph, and if you press E here you will see this graph, and in the background you see my audio file because I've loaded it here earlier. What I could do is go here and click on this tab and having to put my keyframe in manually, and it will work. And sometimes if you don't want to follow the audio file but just make a point on every beat, this could be a way to do that. But I'm going to delete this, and from the modifiers menu tab I choose audio channel, and what the next thing to do then is to load the same audio file that I loaded in my scene. And if I'm starting to scrub here, you can see the audio. Sometimes the audio is not placed in at 0, then you have to use offset to change that. But in this case it just jumped into the 0. But the next thing I can do is to scale up this waveform so it's nearly 100%. So you can see here I'm up to 80, so maybe 6. Yeah, then I'm nearly 100%. So I think that's good. I'm closing this. The screen is a little bit small here, so when I now scrub, you can see that the speaker is moving depending on this. I also want to remind you, here is a lot of other things you can use for creating wave noise, for example, and a lot of things. So this is a very funny place to animate. But for now I'm going to close this, and the next thing to do is to take a little bit of the animation just to save some time. And here you have it. The animation is completed. I hope you like this, and please click like and subscribe, and there will be more. Bye for now.